Hi, good day, M6224. Please introduce yourself.
Hi sir, I'm Melissa Suliman. I'm 47 years old. I am married. I have two children which is 22 years old and 13 years old. I am a college graduate.
What course?
Uh, BS Commerce, major in banking and finance.
Okay, tell me about your experiences as a helper.
Uh, I have an experience in Hong Kong as a domestic helper for about 3 years and 3 months. But my madam terminated me without any reason.
Okay, what is your main duty as a helper there?
As a helper there, my main duty is taking care of a child which is 5 years old boy and cleaning and washing and ironing.
Okay, so you are terminated without any reasons of your employer, but do you have any like termination letter or notice of termination? Do you
Yeah,
have?
yes sir,
Okay, you
from
have.
the immigration.
Okay, from the immigration.
Yes sir.
Okay, then you have also experience in Dubai, right? Tell me about your experience in Dubai.
I have an experience in Dubai for 3 years sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience.
My work experience there is for 3 years and I am my main duty there is taking care of children which is 5 years old and 8 years old and cleaning the house.
Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes sir, no problem.
Okay, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes.
Because you have a daughters, right?
Yes.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature sir and I will check the tummy also and also I will check also the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I will call to madam sir
Okay, and what will you say to your madam?
and I will tell her that the baby is not stop crying
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
because I have another daughter that is still studying. I want to support.
Okay, you want to support the 13 years old, right?
Yes, the 13 years also.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Maybe 10 years or more.
So it is okay to you to extended your contract, right?
Yes, sir. Of
For
course.
sure, you know how to prepare Chinese food because you have experience, 3 years experience almost, right?
Yes,
So what
sir.
kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
I prepare only the simple food, sir, like steamed fish, steamed chicken, long soup, stir fry the vegetables, like that, sir.
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir. Why not?
Okay, it is okay to you to share job without a helper.
It's okay, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
On pets, sir, I'm afraid on dogs.
Okay, you have a brace of dogs. How about cats? You have allergies or something?
Yes, sir. I have also allergy and cats. Sorry.
Okay. How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes, sir. I want to learn more. Yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
For my future employer, if you choose me as your helper, I will be good, I will be respectable and honest. That's all.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Melissa. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, sir.